I know this is like a huge switch up from like the car stuff. But you know, I know this is really not for the car people. I know this is for a lot of people who are really thinking about joining the military, are already in the military and just want to see other people's journeys, things like that. So this is for you guys, and even for the car folks who just want to you know, different content and shaking it up. So today we're going to be talking about my job that I got. It's an interesting job. It's maintenance, guys. It's maintenance. You know, a lot of people think when it comes to maintenance, oh, job sucks. You know, you're going to have a hard time and all these different things and blah, blah, blah. But at the end of the day, even in the civilian world, your job is what you make it, bro. There's money in a lot of different things. And maintenance is definitely one of those fields that if you can get into, especially if we're talking about in the Air Force, that you're going to make a lot of money once you're done with your contract and are looking for a civilian job after your contract is up. So, in particular, the job that I was gifted and given by the almighty Air Force demigods is aircraft structural maintenance, ASM 2 Alpha 733. What this job entails is basically you are an aircraft mechanic. You will be working on the planes in and out. If the planes need to be new rivets, you know, things like that, need to be painted, primered, then painted, need to actually come up with a part from scratch that needs to be put on the plane. So you're gonna be working about 8 to 12 hours. You can expect to work that long in one of those maintenance positions in the Air Force, as well as pretty much any branch, I would assume. It can be the, you know, most tiring of jobs, from what I know. But it is probably going to be one of the most rewarding. If you're thinking about it, you can be working on a lot of these large aircraft planes. You're going to be the reason why they are flying correctly. At the end of the day, that it is a job. It's one of those jobs that you are responsible for basically the safety of the pilot as well as the safety of just the plane overall, and just making sure that it is running the way it needs to run before it lands or takes off. You know, all those good things is going to be partly due to you. Aircraft mechanics are probably one of the most crucial and vital roles in the Air Force. Without them, then, you know, maybe you could say the same for pretty much most positions, but mechanics, they really, you know, they work, and I'm going to be working for sure. I'm really looking forward to the challenge with that, and looking forward to being around lots of big planes. Like, I'm not sure what planes I'm going to be on specifically just yet. I got to get through basic training first. So let's get through that in tech school first, and then I'll figure out where I'm going to be based at. So, for basic training, I'm going to be in San Antonio, Texas, flying out on January 2nd. That's going to be 7.5 weeks of basic training. After that, and after I graduate, I will be going to tech school in Pensacola, Florida. That's going to be 76 days of training. That's almost 3 months of training, pretty much. So you're going to be in tech school for a while with that position. Then you'll get sent to your first unit. In this case, I'll get sent to my first unit, which I'm not really sure specifically what base choices I have. I haven't. That's the thing. I haven't been able to really find too much like information as far as like that, on this particular job. But I'm actually really excited about it. It's kind of it would be, in my opinion, similar to working on cars and things like that. So I'm really looking forward to the challenge and looking to learning new things, meeting new people, you know, going new places, and just traveling and having a good life and just doing different things.